Yeah, sometimes it's too hard to. That was the cute. Oh gosh. That's such an adorable sneeze.
No!
Tascan.
No!
You're welcome, Chad. Are you okay? Or do you have like allergies or something?
It's just allergies.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, get some rest after. Okay.
Yeah, oh good.
And you can also color the gloves here.